Write. He writes in his journal every night. Cook. He is learning how to cook. Eat. We eat lunch at the park sometimes. Talk. The boy is talking to his friend. Wake. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Walk. We walk the dog after dinner. Take. He takes the bus to school. Open. He opens a small treasure chest with curiosity. Brush. The girl gently brushes her hair. Listen. She listens to music for relaxation. Read. I read a book before going to bed. Play. They play football every Saturday. Clean. I clean my house on the weekend. Watch. She watches animals using binoculars. Study. He studies hard for his exams. Call. I call my friend when I need help. Laugh. He laughs loudly when he's happy. Travel. We travel during the holidays. Drink. I drink coffee to start my day. Close. He closes the door quietly. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.